Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to block someone on Group Messenger updated with the latest steps so you can do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you can see your list of chats. Find the group conversation where you want to block someone. Next, tap and hold the group you want. This will open a small menu with different options for managing the chat. From there, tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This part takes you inside the group settings where you can control things like notifications, members, and privacy options. Once you're in the group settings, scroll down until you see the option that says block members. Tap on that. Here you'll see the list of everyone who's in the group. It's a good idea to double check the name or profile picture of the person you want to block so you're selecting the right one. Now, tap on the member you want to block. Messenger will show you what happens when you block someone. Basically, that person won't be able to message you or interact with you in that group anymore. After you've selected the right person, tap block, then confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully blocked the person from your Messenger group. It's that simple. Blocking someone can be really helpful if you want to keep your chats safe and comfortable. Whether you're trying to stop unwanted messages or just maintain a better group environment, this quick feature gives you full control over your experience. And remember, you can always unblock someone later if you change your mind. Just go back into your settings, find their name under blocked accounts, and choose to unblock them. With these steps, you're all set to manage your group chats with confidence and keep your Messenger conversations positive and stress-free.